Alright guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about 5 reasons why you should become a chef. And this video is going to be different from my other ones, so I'm going to be uploading videos like this every Monday. But Wednesdays and Fridays I will be uploading my regular how-to videos. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. Alright guys, so all these are going to kind of go in order almost because they're all going to kind of clash together. So my number one reason is if you're passionate about food, you should become a chef. And I'm saying this because if you really like making food and you really like cooking, you should do it. But if you hate cooking and you don't like any part of it, then don't do it. Don't become a chef. Honestly, don't. You're just going to be miserable the whole time, and that's not fun. Now we're going to move on to number 2. So now number 2 is you want to learn more about this. You want to learn why things work the way they work. Why does my egg burn like this? Why does it not do this? Why does my sauce break? You know, why is it doing these things? And this is where you either want to go culinary school or you better find someone that knows all this stuff. So those are your 2 options, and either option is good, but the culinary school will get you to be executive chef a lot faster. So you can do that, or you could learning through what other chefs have done, and they take you underneath their wing and they show you everything they know. So you can do that as well. Now we're gonna move on to number 3. Is if you want to be a leader, you know you can be a leader. You want to lead your team to success. So that's another good reason to become a chef. Is if you're good at that and you're good at managing a team under high stress and a lot of high stress, because this job is very, very demanding. You're working a lot of hours and under a lot of pressure, and that's about it, you know. So that's another reason. If you like all that stuff, definitely be a chef. Now we're moving on to number 4. Now number 4 is usually you get to see what you put in. And what I mean by that is, let's say you put in a lot of time work in there. You're going to see a lot of results. Your numbers should be really good. And what I mean in numbers is your food cost and your labor cost and everything like that should be really good if you're putting in the time. Because if you're putting in the time and you're seeing no results, you're doing something wrong. So you better be seeing some results unless you're hating your job. And that goes back to my number 1. Now we're moving on to number 5. If you can do all those 4 things, you're going to make a shit ton of money. And with that comes your reputation. And with your reputation, if you're really good at this, people are going to like you, they're going to know who you are, and they're going to want you to be their chef at their restaurant. So that's why you should become a chef at that point, or become a better chef. Then move on. So if you guys are looking to become a chef, those are my 5 things that kind of lead you to being a chef. Those are my 5 reasons why you should be a chef. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're stopping in for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. Seriously, hit it. It helped me out a lot. And you guys have an awesome day.